It feels good to smoke here.
Excuse me, could you put out your cigarette? The smoke is polluting the air and people around you are breathing it.
Oh, I didn't realize. Sorry about that.
Cigarette smokes contain many harmful substances. It damages lung and burns air quality.
I will burn this stress so it gets disposed quickly.
Adit, don't burn it. The smoke pollution the air and dangerous to people living nearby.
I didn't know it was that serious.
Yes, it is. Burning grass produces carbon monoxide and toxic particulate. It's better to take short waste or take it to proper waste processing facility.
I use my motorcycle even though it's only 200 meters away. I'm faster.
Cause excessive vehicle use increase and cause emission, which is one of the main causes of air pollution.
You're right. I use my motorcycle riding everywhere.
You can try walking or cycling if the distance is short. It's healthier and environmentally friendly.
Air pollution is a condition which in the air around us becomes mixed with dirty or harmful substance, making the air no longer clean and healthy to breathe. This pollutant may come from vehicle exhaust, factories, waste burning, and or dust from the street. Air pollution occurs when the concentration of the pollutant becomes too high, disturbing the natural balance of the atmosphere and leading to harmful environmental conditions.
Pollutants can appear in the form of gases, smoke, fine particles, or chemical vapors that float in the air. In many cities, air pollution is also intensified by indoor pollutants such as cigarette smoke, chemical cleaning products, and fumes from cooking, which can contribute to poor air quality inside households and buildings.
When air pollution becomes excessive, air quality decreases and can cause problems for humans, animals, and plants. This situation becomes more dangerous when polluted air accumulates over time, affecting climate stability, disrupting ecosystem, and increasing health risks for the population.
Long-term exposure can weaken the immune system, reduce the lung connection, and increase the likelihood of chronic diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, cardiovascular disorder.
The causes of air pollution in Semarang include the large number of industrial activities in the city. Industrial process release harmful gas and particulate emission, especially from burning fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum, as well as the use of chemical spread across the several industrial zones.
These zones include the Wijaya Kusuma Industrial Area, Candi Industrial Area in Ngalian, Terboyo Industrial Area, and Tanjung Emas Export Processing Zone. Near Tanjung Emas Export, several factors include the severity of population, include population growth, rapid urbanization, limited green space, and weather conditions such as temperature inflation that trap pollution near the ground.
A lack of public awareness about environmentally friendly practice also contribute to continued pollution. Additionally, for waste management and the increasingly number of construction projects release dust and the particulate matters that further degrade air quality.
Emissions from motor vehicles also contribute to air pollution. Fossil fuel vehicles release harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. There has also been an increase in fire, with Semarang recording 300 fire incidents throughout 2024.
In addition, burning waste contributes greatly to air pollution because the smoke contains dangerous chemicals. Traffic congestion in urban areas worsens the situation, and consequently, moving vehicles produce emissions that accumulate in densely populated areas.
One of the effects of pollution is ISPA, or acute respiratory infection. ISPA is a disease that affects respiratory tract, starting from the nose and through to the lungs. It's called acute because it occurs suddenly and lasts from relative short time.
Data collected by the Semarang City Health Office shows that throughout 2024, the city recorded more than 421,000 ISBA cases. Meanwhile, by mid-2025, the number has reached
150,883.
cases with a weekly average of 5,000 to 8,000 cases.
Damage to the ozone layer is another impact of pollution. Certain pollutants such as chlorofluorocarbons or CFC can damage the ozone layer in the stratosphere, which protects us from ultraviolet radiation. This damage may increase case of skin cancer and among humans and animals, as well as harm plants. Global warming is also a major consequence. Greenhouse gas emissions such as carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in the atmosphere, causing earth temperatures to rise.
This factor accelerates the melting of polar ice, which in turn raises sea level. Air pollution also reduces visibility, disrupts photosynthesis in plants because carbon particles coat the leaves, and affect animals by contaminating their habitats and food sources. In the long run, air pollution can also threaten food security because plants exposed to polluted air can experience decreased growth and productivity.
Solutions include reducing of private vehicles by switching to public transportation, cycling, or walking. Maintain vehicle regularly, such as changing oil and air filter, can also help reduce the emissions. Planting trees around the home is beneficial, as trees absorb pollutant and produce oxygen. Another important step is minimizing the burning of waste to reduce smoke-related pollution.
Implementing environmental regulation, enforcing industrial emission limits, increasing public awareness, and expanding urban areas are all the long-term strategies to improve overall air quality. Komunitas can also participate in air rain area campaigns, join environmental education programs, and support government and leaders in creating more sustainable urban environmental.
Together, we can reduce our pollutions. Start by making simple changes like avoid burning waste, use public transportation, and plant more trees. A cleaner environment begins with us. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to healthier future for our city and the generations to come.